This is my project for AQA A-level computer science, and it's about stock management control. My test number 1 is when I start the program, it should go straight to the login page, which it does, so that is a pass. Test 2 is I'm going to click the create account button, and this should open the page where the user would then create an account. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. It should have also created the table for the accounts, which, as you can see at the top here, table create account. So it's done that, so that is also a pass. Test number 4 is that I will now try create an account without filling in any of the details, and when I do that, it should come up with an error sign saying please fill in the details. So I'm going to do that. Please fill in the requirements. The button does what I want to do, and none of the data or none of the fields is filled in, so that is a pass. So to start off with, we will start off with making a staff side of the account. So we'll do my name, email, now if the password is below 8 characters, so I'll do 786. We'll do 786, so that would be 7 characters, not 8, and try create. It should come up with a message saying password is too short. Password is too short, please make sure it is at least 8 characters long, which it has done. So now let's do that again. Now when I create, as the password is the required length, it should create the account. Account created, that is a pass. When I go to the table and check the account, this is from a previous test, but this is not needed currently. But yes, as you can see here, the account's been created. The password has the SHA-256 applied to it to make the password more secure, and so no one else can see the password. Now let's create the account. That was test number 4. Test number 5 is to press the clear button, and all the current data that has been selected from forename up to password should be cleared. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. And that was test number 5. Test number 6 is I'm going to press the back to login button, and this should redirect me back to the login page. The button does what I want it to do, so that is also a pass. Test number 7 is that is going to show this page, which it has. And if I try to if I just leave it blank and press login, it should come up with an error message. Fill in the required fields, which I has done, so that is a pass. Now, test number 8 is, depending on the position of the user, it will take them to either the staff controls form or it will take them to the manager side. But because we're doing the staff side first, we've only made the staff account. So we are going to enter the email, and then we are going to enter the password. This works, as you can see. Test number 8 is that when I press the button login, it should take me to the staff side of the things. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. Test 9 is I'm going to press the customers button, and it should open the customers page. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. As well as we can see from here that we also have customers table, so the table has been created there. Wrong thing again. So the table has been created, so that is a pass. This does work as it's just a copy and actually, yeah, it's a copy and paste from the manager side. So this thing itself does work, but is not one of my tests. So I'll just quickly put everything in. Okay, we cannot have the birthday as today, as that is not really possible, is it? We'll have it as last week. Add record, as you can see, it's done it. So this is proof that it works, but I'm just not going to show it on this one. I'm going to show it in the manager side because it's just a copy and paste, more or less. So now we're going to press now this is going to be test 10, where when I press the main menu button, it should take me back to the staff homepage. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. What else is there? This is test 11, where I'm going to press current stock and it should open the current stocks page. Button does what I want to do, so that is a pass, and it displays the current stock. Pretty much self-explanatory. Does what I want to do, so that is a pass. When I press the main menu, it should go back to the staff page, which it does, so that is a pass. Test number 12 is when I press the logout button, it should take me back to that original login screen. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. To save a bit of time, I've already got myself the manager side of the manager's account. Why is it closed again? But yeah, I've already got the manager's side, as you will see in a second. Yeah, both managers, but yeah, manager is create. Don't know why it's done that. Probably just a glitch. But yeah, the manager side has been made. So now I'm going to log in, and when I've done and once I've put the manager side of the detail down, let's see what's the password. Well, when I press login now, it should take me to the it should take me to the manager side of the homepage, and that is test number 13. The button does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. We're going to press the available stock first, and when I press this, it should open a page where the manager can see the stock on hand, as what we saw previously with customers. The page does what I want it to do, so that is a pass. And that was test number 14. Test number 15 is it should have created a table for current stock. Oh my god, why is it keep closing, man? Please stop. It should have created a table for current stock. As you can see, it has, as is right here. And yeah, so it's created a table for current stock table, so that's a pass. Test number 16 is if I just press add with none of the fields added, it should come up with the error message. The fields need to be filled in, so that does what I want to do, so that itself is a pass. Now we're going to add a product. We'll do Adidas World Cup, why not? Just something black black slash white, primary and secondary. Size medium, category t-shirt. Quantity, let's say we want 2010, and let's say the price around $14.99. When I press the add stock, it should add to the table as well as the database table. Records added. It has been added to the database table, so that is a pass. This is going to be test number 17, where I'm going to press the update button. It should take the required field and put it into, actually no, I have a test number. One second. Yeah, so I'm going to press the test number 17 is click the update button, and it should take the selected, so we'll say the first one. It should take the selected item and put the details into here, and I've realized the table for some reason is wrong, so I will fix that quick in a second. Let's let me fix that now quickly. Thought I fixed this, but apparently not. Sorry about that, I thought I changed that, but apparently not. So yeah, test number 17 is that when I press the update button, it should take the selected field and put it onto here. Update, the button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. Now I am going to delete this item, and it should delete it from the table and the database. So product deleted. We're going to check the database. Product has been deleted there, so that is a pass. Show records been deleted there. That is a pass. And that was, oh, I'm gonna press the show records button, which I did. That was test number 18. Yeah, test number 18. It works, so that's a pass. Test number, actually I don't even know which test number that was, but that was the update one. Now when I press the main menu, it should take me back to the home page. That button does what I wanted to do, so that is a pass. Next I'm going to press is the customers, which we previously ignored on the staff side page. When I press this button, it should take me to the more or less the same page, but yeah. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. As we can see, the previous record that we made from the staff side is here, so that works. But so we know the add button would work, so now when you press we saw that there's a table for the customers, so that is a pass. Now when we filled in the details already from before, so we know it works. If the field is empty, error message, that's a pass. So we're just going to assume that works. Press show records, which we did in the staff one. It works. Now let's say the customer we added, we will update button, should take the fields probably here, which is done. That is a pass. Now let's say the customer's got a new number. Let's say it went from 11244. When I press save, it should save the record. Okay, which one is this? 9238. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but checked it, there's nothing wrong, so try again. press the button, changed it to 4-hole, changed to 999 now instead. That's after I press the update. Update does what I want to do, that's the pass, and now I'm going to save it, and this should save the details. Updated. Now when I press show record, so that the let's see the database. Yeah, I don't know what happened because I checked and it worked, it looked fine. Yeah, 999 here, so that works. So the save button is a pass. When I press show records, it should show the new numbers here. As you can see, 999 there, so that button is a pass. Now when I press update, this will do the second one. When I update, it should take the field. Now we have a delete button, and when I do this, it should delete the customer. Customer deleted, he's been removed from here. It's also been removed from here, so the delete button works as I intended to. So that is a pass. Now when I press the main menu, it should take me back to the home screen. The button does what I want it to do. That is a pass. Now I'm going to press view orders, which is more or less creating orders for the customer. When I press this button, it should take me to that page. The button does what I want it to do. That is the pass. This is from a previous record, but we'll just ignore it for now. So we'll say the customer would like 3 of this t-shirt. And is this customer. When I press complete order, it should when I select the comma boxes, it should fill out the details of the customer. That is a pass. When I did this for the product, it did the same thing. That is also a pass. When I press the complete order now, it should say order completed or order made. Records added, same thing. And I have no button for it, but as we can go back here, we can see there's been added to the table. That is a pass. If we go to the table here, view orders, as we can see, it's been added right here. So that is a pass. When I press now we'll check the quantity and oh no, wrong button. Let's just use our imagination and say 20, as we only ordered 10. 20 should have been possible. When I press this order, it should come up with a message saying order quantity too great, try again, but like obviously with the realistic one. Order quantity is too great, so it will not work. The button does what I want to do. When the order is too large, that is a pass. Update tables, don't know why it went off. The update tables work, so that is a pass. When I press the main menu, it should take me back to the home page. Now when I press the return orders, it should take me to the returns page for the customer. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. So we're going to select the user's order, which in this case, because we deleted this record, it shouldn't exist, but it'll be this one. When I press select order, it should fill in the comma boxes here with the user's order. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. So we are going to assume that as a limitation, I have assumed that the product they return is in sellable quality, like resellable quality, and they return the whole order as one. So everything they ordered. So now when I press confirm refund, it should say the refund's been accepted. Refund successful. We'll go here and see table returns. 3 stocks quantity return. That works, so that is a pass. When I press the main menu now, it should redirect me back to the main menu. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. Now we are going to press the order stock button, so when the quantity is like low, it should open up that page. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. So we're going to select the product. We're going to order 30 of it. and we're expecting it in like 3 business days, so on Monday. When I press order product, it should create the order. It should say order made. Order has been made. That is successful. The button does what I want to do. That is a pass. So when I press the main menu now, it should take me back to the home page. Now, it should show the graph over here of how the customers trend has been, like as we bought, and how much the company has been start spending to buy the product, but that's not showing, so that is a fail. When I press the log out button, it should log me out. The button does what I wanted to do. That is a pass, and that is it for my AQA project.